In the 1960s, the world was gripped by a fierce competition that transcended borders and ideologies, the space race. It was a time of unparalleled ambition and audacity, fueled by the rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy stood before Congress and issued a bold challenge to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the decade was out. It was a daring proclamation, one that seemed almost unattainable given the nascent state of space technology. Yet, it would ignite a fire that propelled humanity into an era of extraordinary innovation. NASA, the young space agency tasked with this monumental goal, set to work under the banner of the Apollo program. It was a journey of trial and error, of triumphs and tragedies. Early on, the Apollo 1 mission ended in heartbreak, with a tragic cabin fire claiming the lives of 3 astronauts during a pre-flight test. But this loss, rather than quelling the dream, strengthened the resolve of the engineers, scientists, and astronauts who pressed forward, determined to honor their fallen comrades. By 1968, NASA began to demonstrate its growing capabilities. Apollo 7 proved that the spacecraft could sustain life in orbit, while Apollo 8 went further, sending humans around the moon for the first time. The world watched in awe as the astronauts captured breathtaking images of Earthrise, a fragile blue orb suspended in the vastness of space. Then came the historic Apollo 11 mission. On July 16, 1969, a Saturn V rocket thundered into the sky, carrying astronauts Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. 4 days later, Armstrong and Aldrin descended to the lunar surface in the Eagle lander, while Collins orbited above in the command module. As Armstrong set foot on the moon, he uttered words that would echo through history. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." The 2 astronauts explored the desolate yet mesmerizing landscape, collecting samples, conducting experiments, and planting the American flag as a symbol of human achievement. The Apollo program continued, achieving further milestones with missions like Apollo 12, 14, 15, and 17. Each expanded our understanding of the moon, its geology, and its place in the story of our solar system. Yet, Apollo 13 stands out as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. After an oxygen tank explosion jeopardized the mission, the astronauts and ground team worked tirelessly to bring the crew home safely, turning potential tragedy into an extraordinary triumph. By the time Apollo 17 closed the program in 1972, 12 men had walked on the moon, leaving footprints and dreams etched into the lunar dust.